back at 11, 12. Good morning. Everyone, good morning. My dear students, online students, good morning. Offline students, ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ. ಶಶಾಂಕ್, ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. Okay. Which class? Which class? Guys, and the timings, it was only for today. Anyway, you people have a holiday tomorrow. On occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, go go hoist the flag. Okay. Hey, ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ, ಆಫೀಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕಲ್ಲು ಹೊಡಿತಾ. Very good morning, Uday. You all have seen your aptitude marks, no? No, na. FPL, for FPL, I have not conducted. Okay. As said by Parshuram sir yesterday, every Saturday you people will be having what interview? Demo interview. Demo interview where you will be having aptitude round, technical round, GD round, and HR round. Okay, done. And first of all, especially please dress in a proper manner and come. Okay, dress formally, especially boys. Porkigal tara barbedri. Okay, don't come like street porkies and all. Come officially in formal attire. Okay, girls even ಬೇಡ, ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್, ಐ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಸೇ. Girls, what formal will you wear? Don't wear loose t-shirt, tone pant. Don't wear like this. And Lalima, tu पहनती है ना वो प्लेटेड पैंट, वो मत पहन, ठीक है? एक डिजाइन पैंट पहनती है ना, वो मत पहन. Okay, formal. Girls, if you want to dress formally, black pant, white shirt. Otherwise, chudidar. Okay, done. Yes. Okay. Okay, shall we start with the class? I cannot wait for those people. Do one thing, close the shutter. I'll tell you. Okay, shall we start with the class? Today we will do between operator, between operator, in operator, and is null and is not null operator. Okay, clear? Before that, yesterday's task, have you people done it? Yes or no? Everyone has done? Okay. Online students, what about you people? Online students, what about you? Okay, you all have done? Okay, take down the next topic as between and operator. Between and operator. Shashank, can you tell me what is between and operator? Shashank? Huh? Illa, hedu. What is between and operator? Everyone, what do you mean by between and operator? Okay, before that, let me write the database here. Ma'am, how can we recover dropped database and table? I didn't get you. Ma'am, how can we recover dropped database and table? What dropped database and table? Deleted. Deleted is forever deleted. You can never get it back. Nitesh. You have to create it again. You cannot get it back. Because once it is stored in the database and it is deleted from the database, you cannot get it back. You have to obviously create a new one again. Okay. In Oracle possible? No, nowhere it is impossible. Okay, done. Tomorrow I will teach you people how to write Oracle syntax. Okay. Till now I will do with Oracle installation also. Not tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Tomorrow andre mokka nodta idare. Okay, guys, and tomorrow you people have a holiday. Guys, I have still not yet gone with Oracle. If it is possible, I will teach it. Okay. In MySQL, it's not. Yeah, for that reason only I said that tomorrow I will teach with Oracle. Not tomorrow, day after tomorrow I will teach with Oracle. Okay. Till now in Oracle, whatever you people have learned till now, no, the same thing, the same code, how to write the code, I will teach you. All those things you people will be doing in Oracle. Okay, done? Clear? Now before that, what do you mean by between and operator? Now, do you think that between is a separate keyword and is a separate keyword, or both are one and the same? Same, same or different? Same. Now take down the query. First of all, yesterday I wrote one database, no? I wrote one database. Can you tell me what and all I wrote? I have forgotten that. Yes. First of all, what was the table name? The table name was drivers. Okay. And what and all I gave inside this? Drives. D-R-I-V. Yeah. What and all I gave inside this drive table? I gave something called as drive ID. Okay, next one. I gave something called as designation. Okay, then age. Okay, I gave something called as package, and I think I gave drive date. I gave something called as drive date. Yes, this was the database which we gave yesterday. Yes or no? Guys, every time I will not be creating the database because already first only I will make you people create the database. Okay. On that you people write different queries. Every time creating a new database, it will take lot of time. Okay. Done? Clear? Okay. What and all were the values I gave inside this? Guys, do you feel SQL is easy or difficult? It's easy, no? Online students, what about you people? You feel it's difficult or it's easy? Online students. Online students, easy. Okay. Okay, let it be difficult. How many values I give? Yeah. Tell me what was the first input I gave? What was the first input I gave? The first input was 101. What was the designation? The designation was developer. And what is the package I gave? 6 lakhs. Correct? Huh? Yeah. What was the drive date? 2024 4/12. Okay. What was the second one? 102. Okay, I gave it as Python developer. Okay, the package was. Okay, next. What was the drive date? 2024. 01. Okay, next one. 103. What was the next one I gave? Data administrator. I gave around. Okay, what was the drive date? 2024 12/12. Okay, next one. Okay. Okay. 2024 11/18. Okay, next one. 11/18. Correct. Next one. 105. I gave it as back end developer. Okay. 6, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Drive date 2023, 09 and 12. Next one, 106, Python developer, okay. Next. Okay, next. Next. Yeah, next. Next. Mm. Mm. Okay. So yesterday, this was the complete database which I gave yesterday. Yes or no? Online students, yes or no? Now take down the very first query for this between and operator. Take down the very first query. Write a query. Write a query. Write a query to find the drives. To find the drives. To find the drives where the package is in between, where the package is in between 6 lakh, sorry, the package is between, 6 lakh and 72 lakh, sorry, 7 lakh, whatever, 7.2 lakh. Write a query to find the drives where package is in between, what I gave, 6 lakh and 7.2 lakh. Yes. How will you write the query now? Now, are you supposed to select the query of that entire table or a part of the table? Entire table. So how will you write the query for this? So you will be writing select. Since you are selecting the complete value, you will take it as star. Then from which table? From drives. And now what is the condition they have given? What is the condition they have given? I want to get the package. I want to get the package between which and which. I want to say where package should I write is between or in between? In between, huh? No. You will just be writing the keyword between. You will be writing the keyword between. What is the first word? Sorry, for first amount, 6 lakh and 7.2 lakh. Is it clear? Is it clear? So how is it fetching the data? It is selecting all the elements from the drives table, and according to the query, it is saying that you have to get the package which is in between 66 lakh and 7.2 lakh. So now how will you get the output? So which and all values will be selected? So can I say 101 will be selected? 101 will be selected or it will not be selected? It will be selected. Why? Now, but before that, when will you use this between and operator? When you have to select, where the values when it is in range. When it is in range. So when will you use this between operator? When the values are in range. then only you will be using this between operator. Clear? Yes or no? Okay, take down the next query. Take down the next query. Write a query. Write a query to find the drives. To find the drives that are scheduled between. Write a query to find the drives that are scheduled between 2023 09/12, 2023 09/12 and 2024 10/23, 10-23. How will you write for this one? How will you write for this one? How will you write? So here you will be writing select star from which table? From the table called as drives. And what is the condition they have given? Where what are you supposed to select? The package, designation, drive ID or drive date? Drive. So I have to say you have to take from the columns called as drive date. And what is the operation they are telling you to perform? Between. It is between. Now they are telling you to find the drive date between which and which number? 2023 09/12 and 2024 10/23. Now, should I enclose this date inside the single quotes? Yes or no? So you have to enclose this dates inside the single quotes. Should I give semicolon here? Clear? Clear? Guys, yesterday I was doing for logical operators, no? I gave only one query in that. What Sikender? What do you mean by why? Ma'am, between we can apply on higher range value to lower value. Yes, Nitesh, I will come to it. The next query is about that only. I will tell about. Okay. Okay, let me clear your doubt here. Okay. Now take down the next query. Take down the next query. Write a query. Write a query to find the drives. Write the query to find the drives where package is in between. Where, yes, Nitesh, I'm first take down this question, then I will explain. Where the package is in between 7.2 lakhs, 7.2 lakhs and 3.2 lakhs. 7.2 lakhs and 3.2 lakhs. So how will you write the query for this one? How will you write the query for this one? So you will write select star from drives where package only you are selecting. Yes or no? But what is the value they have given here? 7.2 lakhs. Yes or no? And 3.2 lakhs. Now will you get output for this? Will you get output for this? Who will say yes? Raise your hand. Who will say yes, ma'am, for this query which you have written, you will get the output. Please raise your hand. Yes, please raise your hands. Is there anyone who's saying yes, ma'am, I will get the output? Okay, who will say no, ma'am, I'll not get the output? Who will say yes, ma'am, I will get? Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Who will say I will not get? Who will say nothing? No, ma'am, I'm in the middle. Neither boy, neither girl. I am. Okay. Guys, I will tell that you will not get the output for that. You will not get the output for that. Why you will not get the output? Previously, what and all queries I gave? First, it was from lower value to higher value. Yes or no? It was from lower value to higher value. Now, according to this query, it is from higher value to lower value. Yes or no? For an example, you can ask me, why, ma'am, it has to take from lower value to higher value. For an example, if I ask you people from the office, what is the distance till your home? You will say around 3 to 10 kilometers. Example, 3 to 10 kilometers. Okay. Will you say 10 to 3 kilometers? There also you are using range from lower value to higher value. Yes or no? Yes or no? In the same way, don't you think in this one also you are supposed to take from lower value to higher value? Yes. Nitesh, am I clear? Nitesh, am I clear? It is from lower range value to higher range value. So, when you execute this output, no, you just check what you will get. You will get null. You will get all the columns with null value. Means it will have empty. It will be empty or it will be with the word called as null. Empty cell or null. Okay, clear? Done? And yesterday we were doing about logical operators. Yes or no? And you people wrote only one query in that. What was the query which I gave yesterday? Go back to logical operators. Go back to logical operators. Yesterday, I gave one question, that is, what was the question? The same database I gave. Same database or different database I took? Same database. So now, yesterday, what was the first query which I gave? To display all the details from the table whose designation is software developer. Sorry, developer or? Yeah, something I gave. Yes or no? So how you wrote the query for that one? Select star from drive where designation is equals to data administrator or designation is equals to backend developer. Yes or no? Take down the next query. I think next query also I gave. What was that? Find the details of the drive where drive date is greater than 2023, 2024, 12, 12, and the package is greater than 4.5 LPA. What was the query you wrote for that? Tell no. Take down the next query. Find the details. Find the details of drives. Find the details of drives with a package greater than 4.5 and designation of either Python developer or data administrator. Python developer or data administrator. Now tell me how many conditions you have here. You have two conditions. The first condition is for when the package is greater than 4.5. And next one, when the designation is a Python developer or data administrator. How will you write? How will you write the query for this one? Yes. Yes, everyone, tell the query. First of all, you have to select all the data. Yes or no? So you will write it as select star. From which table? From which table? You are taking it from the table called as drives. So I will write it as from drives. Next, what is the condition they have given? Where package is greater than 4.5. Yes or no? So can I write the first condition as where package is greater than 4.5. Correct. What is the next condition? Designation. Now again will you use where condition? Again will you use where condition? When I was explaining where clause in the very first class only, I have said that where clause you will not be using it twice. You will not be using it twice, but instead you will be using it only once. Now how to write? They have given and the designation is Python developer or data administrator. Now which operator will you use here? And operator, it is and bedri. It is and. Now you will use one operator called as and. You will use one operator called as and. And what are they saying? And designation. They are saying designation is equals to, what is the first one? What is the first designation? The first designation is Python developer. And what is the next designation? They are saying either it is Python developer or what develop or data administrator, or should I give or designation is equals to data administrator, or can I directly give or Python developer? Sorry. So what you have to give here? So you have to say or designation is equals to data administrator. Yes or no? Yes or no? Is this correct? Is this correct? Yes. Clear with this? Clear with this? Online students, clear with this? Take down the next question. Take down the next question. Find the details of the drives. Find the details of the drives with package less than or equal to, with package less than or equal to 5 lakh and the drive date is less than or equal to 2023 9/12. 2023 9/12. How will you write the query for this one? So what are they saying? What is the question? You have to find the details of the drives with package less than or equal to where, what is the condition they have given here? Where package is less than or equal to 5 lakh. And what is the next condition they have given? And is it designation you have to select or drive date? You have to select the drive date. So what I have to write here? And drive date less than or equal to 2023/09. Should I enclose it with its single quotes? Yes. Clear with this? Clear with this? Yes or no? Online students, yes or no? Take down the next question. What was yesterday's date? Yeah, take the question. Write a query. Write a query. To display. Write a query to display the drives that have the package exceeding 6 lakh, exceeding 6 lakh, when additional 3 lakh is added, when additional 3 lakh is added, and designation is either Python developer or backend developer. Python developer or backend developer. Now tell me, how will you write for this? How will you write for this? What is the question they are saying? You have to select all the drives which have the package exceeding 6 lakh, and also if you add 3 lakh extra to that, what is the value? That one you have to print. Next one, you have to print the designation either as a Python developer or backend developer. How will you write the query for this? How will you write the query for this? How many conditions are there here? 3 conditions. One is with the package, the two exceeding 6 lakh. After that, additional 3 lakh. Then again, designation. So you have 3 conditions here. Will you write 3 where clause? Where this is that, where this is that. Will you write like that? Then how will you write? Then how will you write? My dear online students, how will you write? How will you write? Think. Guys, first tell me, then you people write. Yes, how will you write for that? So first of all, they are saying that the package exceeding 6 lakh, when additional 3 lakh is added. So first of all, can I write select star from drives where package plus 3 lakhs. Why am I writing plus 3 lakhs first only? Why? Because you have to add. Then from those added value, you have to check whether it is greater than 6 lakh. Yes or no? So only at the first only I am adding the package with the 3 lakh. Okay. Yes. Now I have to say greater than 6 lakh. Okay. And what I have to write? And you have to write, and you have to use the operator called as and. And what is the designation here? And designation equals to, what is the first designation? The first designation is Python developer. And what is the next designation? Which operator you have to use? You have to use OR operator, and you have to say designation is equals to what developer? Back end developer. Am I clear with this? Am I clear with this? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, clear with this? Yes, Sanjay, you're absolutely right. But you have to mention the string inside a single quote. You'll solve questions on this? Yes or no? For this one, you don't have any questions. Yeah, take down, sorry, now go back to between and operator. Between and operator. Now you understood with all those 3 queries? Yes or no? Now take down the questions under that. Take down the questions under that. Wait, I'm telling you. Yeah. Write a query to retrieve all the columns from the table. Write a query to retrieve all the columns from the table. Student detail whose age is between. Write a query to retrieve all the columns from the table. Student detail whose age is between 18 19. Between 18 and 19 inclusive. And what and all the columns should consist is, the student detail table should have columns like student ID, first name, last name, age, and grade. First name, last name, age, and grade. Student ID, first name, last name, age, and grade. Okay. First name, last name. Sorry, student ID, first name, last name, age, and grade. Okay. Shall we create the database for this? I will not write on the board. I will directly show it. Yes. Shall we do it or not? Online students, are you people following? Online students. Okay, 1 second. Shall I clear this? Shall I clear this or the screen is visible to you all? Clear, huh? Yaro. So when will you use between operator? When will you use between operator? When the set of values is in range? Yes or no? When will you use where clause? When will you use where clause? When there is a condition. When will you use or operator? Okay. Shall I continue? Yes or no? No, mama. Get out of my class. Okay. Is the screen visible? You want me to zoom it? Okay. Yeah. Tell me how to create the database first. Everyone, first see the board, then try it in your laptops. Okay. Done? Clear? If anyone is seeing the laptops, ಹಂಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಬಾರ್ದು. Okay. Done? What you should write here? Create database as what? Database. What is the database name? Database name, shall I keep it as student details? And table, I'll keep it as students. Okay, done. What is the database name here? Student underscore details. ಗೊತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ, ನಾವು ಒಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದೇ ಅವ್ರು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. You will not get the voice, no? Ma'am is taken for granted. Which database you should use now? You have to use the database as student. ಯಾರೋ ಅದು ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಇರೋದು. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಅದು ಹುಡುಗ ಅಲ್ಲ. Student underscore details. Correct? So now next what I have to do? You have to create the table. So what is the command you have to give? You have to tell create table students, open the brackets. So now what is the first column I have to write? The first column is student underscore ID. What is the data type? Int. Next one. First name. First underscore, wait a second. First underscore name. What is the data type? Varchar. What is the size? 20. Next one. You have to give something called as what name? You have to give something called as last name. Okay, varchar, I will give 20 only. Next, age. What I have to give? Age is what? Number or int? Int or number? We'll give it as int. Clear? That's all, no? Huh? Yeah, sorry. Comma. And you have something called as grade. Grade is what? Huh? Grade is decimal or characters? Character I can give. Why can't I use varchar here? It is only one character. It is better I use character or varchar? Character. So I will say character. Should I give any size here? Should I give any size here? No. Default is by default it's 1. But should I mention it here? No. Okay, shall I close this? Okay. Next, what I have to do? I have to insert the values. I will tell the command as insert what? Insert into students values. Okay. What is the first value I have to enter? 1. Okay. What is the first name? First name. Okay. Abdul. What is the last name? Last name. Hey, tell no. Yes, Sheikh spelling ಏನು ನಂಗೆ SHAKE ಒಂದೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದು. What is the spelling of Sheikh? SHEIK ನಾ? H ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾ? Okay, I don't know. Next one. What is the age? 22. Should I enclose it within single quotes? No need, no. Next one. What is the grade? C. What is the grade? A, B, C, D. Which one you want? Abdul, which one you want? Huh? A plus. Okay, let me. Should I enclose it within single quotes? Yes. Okay. Now I will take it as what? ಏನು ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಹೇಳ್ರು. Shall I close this? Yes or no? Next one. Yeah, tell me. Next one, I will take the grade as B. Let me take the age as 23. Who went out? Yusuf. Then who went out? Viveka. Okay. Yeah, after Abdul, who is the next one? Last name ಏನು ನಾಗೇಂದ್ರ ನಿಂದು? DK. DK. V. BK. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಯಾ ಹೆಸರೇನು ನಿಂದು? ಅವನೆಲ್ಲೋ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷಲ್ಲಿ ಗೋವಾನ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ನಿಮ್ ಗೋವಾ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನೋ. Okay, next value. Next value, let me give it as C. Who wants C grade? Name. Suhas, nin last name ಏನು? Suhas Pujarina. Suhas Rama. Okay, Ram. And your name is? Okay, let me take the value as 3. Yeah, next one. Jilebi. Next grade, let me take it as D. Who wants D grade? Yeah, name. Pratibha, what's your last name? Vellodo. C. ತಪ್ಪು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಟ್ಟು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕಾಮಿಡಿ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನು ಬಿಟ್ಟ. ಸಾರಿ, ನಾವು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಎವರ್ ರೈಟ್. ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಬೇರೆ ಅನ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೇಮ್. Hey, my age is that only, da, shameless. Age is 27 only. Why you'll marry me, huh? What did he say? Yeah, tell the next name. Next name. ಶಶಾಂಕ್, ನಿನ್ ಏಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? ನೀನು ಗೌಡನಾ? ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಸರು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಮಾನ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಒಂಚೂರಾದ್ರೂ ಇರೋರ್ಗ್ ಬೈಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ದೇನೆ ಇರೋರ್ಗ್ ಏನ್ ಬೈಯಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Yeah. Okay. Shut up. Now, after this, what I have to do? After this, what I have to do? Who was that who said? ಸುಹಾಸ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು, ಅದು ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದಾನೇ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು. ಯೂಸೆಫ್ ಖೈರ್ ನೈ ಲಿಕ್ಲೆ, ಲಿಕ್ಲೆ ತು. Yeah. Tell me what is the next one I have created. I have inserted the data also. What I have to do next? First of all, let me see the table completely. What I have to write? I have to say select star from what? Select star from students. Yes, am I getting it? Yes or no? So now what is the first query? What is the first query? What was the query which I gave here? I gave a query, no? I didn't give the query, huh? I gave, na? Write a query to retrieve all the columns from the table student details. So shall I say select star? Yes or no? Select star from which one? From the table called as student. And then what is the condition? Where I have to say where, what is the age here? Age between can I say between 22 and 27? Between 22 and 27. Shall I give semicolon? Yes or no? Will I get the output? Hey, what is the table name, da? Students or studenta? Okay. Select star from students, huh? And then where age between 22 and 27. Yes, am I getting it? I am getting all the outputs. Yes or no? Yes or no? I have written for one query. Now you people write it for other queries. Take down the next query. Take down the next query. Write a query. Write a query to retrieve all the columns. Write a query to retrieve. Write a query to retrieve all the columns from the table student, from the table student, where students are studenta, students where age is not between where age is not between 22, 22 and 27. 22 and 27. What you'll get? Will you get any value? You'll get null value. Okay, take it between 22 and 23 and 27. 23 and 27. Take down the next query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display all the columns from students table where age is between 23 and 27, where age is between 23 and 27, and grade is between A and D, where grade is between A and D. Take down the next query. Write a query. Don't write. Write a query to retrieve. The records of the students. Name, first name, having first name. Which name shall I take? Which name? Having first name Abdul and whose age is between 23 and 27. 23 and 27. Yeah, right. Write the queries for this one. Online students, clear with this? Online students. My dear online students, clear? Everyone is following. You people have any confusion? Any confusion is there? Yes or no? No. Okay, please solve this query. Please solve this query. क्रिकेट मैच देख के तू तुम्हारे सर के क्लास में तो तुम मुंह नहीं खोलते हो. हाँ, क्रिकेट मैच आज कौन सा मैच? हाँ, ठीक है देख. Guys, are you people understanding or is there any confusion? तेरे अंदर वॉइस है ना, बात कर. गोवा हार्ट अटैक बताएगा. someone go and tell the question, no? Bichana. यार क्वेश्चन ठीक है टाइप कर दे उस चैट बॉक्स में जा भी वो वाला आपको go Chandu soon guys wait I will they will not explain he'll type in the chat box wait Chandu iddo go Chandu will you go or shall I kick you see na Chandu perfect query has anyone written the question cool close that ಓಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ like students at least questions ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡು ಮೈಕ್ನ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಂತೆ ಏ Online students, are you people done with it? Online students, my dear online students, done or not? Yes. Okay. Take down the next question as in operator. In operator. Take down the question. Take down the question. Write a query. Write a query to find. Write a query to find the details of all the drives. The details of all the drives that have the designation that have the designation developer, data administrator, or Python developer, data administrator or Python developer. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಾ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕುತ್ಕೋಬಿಟ್ರೆ. Write a query to find the details of all the drives. Write a query to find the details of all the drives that have the designation Python developer, data administrator, or developer. Now tell me, Python developer, data administrator, or developer. It is there inside the table. It is there inside the table or not? It is there. Now you tell me, previously for between operator, you have the values in range, from lower range to higher range. Yes or no? Now, the values are in set of values or it is in range of values? Set of values. So when the values are in set of values, when the values are given in set, then you will be using in operator. Now, how will you write the query for this one? Okay. Now tell for this query only. For this query only, I want to get the first name as. Can I write like this? No, you cannot. For the previous only you have to do. Okay. How will you write the query for this one? Select start from drive. 1 second, let me write it on the board. Yeah. How will you write the query? Yes, my dear students, from penna. Okay. So how will you write the query? Select start from which table? From drives? Yes or no? From drives. Okay. Where? What is the condition given? Where? What you have to write? Where? Designation. Yeah. Now how will you write? Where designation in brackets. I have to write it as Python developer. Okay. Close this, comma, then data administrator, comma, I have to take it as developer. Correct? Yes or no? Then close it. Yes. Clear? Take down the next question. Done. I can't wait. Take down our next question. Write a query. Write a query to find the details of all the drives. Write a query to find the details of all the drives that have the drive date. Write a query to find the details of all the drives that have drive date. Drive date. Can you tell me one drive date? 2024. Take any two drive dates. Take any two drive dates. Not two, three. Three drive dates. Okay. Okay. So you people are clear with in operator also? Yes or no? In operator, are you people clear or not? When will you use in operator? When you have set of values, then you will be using in operator. Between operator, you will be using when it is given in range of values, you will be using between and operator. When you will use or operator, when you have just two values where you have to select between the first one or the second one, then you will be using or operator. And operator, when will you use and operator? When you want both the two conditions to be displayed, then you will be using and operator. Clear? Yes. Any doubts? Vivek, Dushyant, online students, any doubts you have? Any doubts you have? No? Okay, you have the very last operator. Very last operator is null. One line put is null and is not null. Is null and is not null. So if you people observe the previous database which you have done, there you had for the drive dates, you had two null values. Yes or no? You had two null values. Now take down the first query. Take down the first query. Write a query. Write a query to find the drives. To find the drives that do not have drive date. That do not have drive date. So now how will you write the query for this one? I know what you people will write. You people will write select star from drives where drive date is not equal to null. Or some people will write is not null. You will use the operator there. I mean, you will use the symbol there. But don't use the symbol here. Don't use the symbol here. How will you write the query? Select star from drives. Okay. Then what is the condition? Where, how will you write it as? You will write it as drive date is, first one I want the null value. So I will write drive date is null. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now, leaving those null values, leaving the drive date of that null values, I want rest other values. I want rest other values. So how will you write for that? You will write select star from drives. Select star from drives where drive date is not. Am I clear? Am I clear? Clear with all the types of operators? Yes or no? Online students, yes or no? Do you have any doubts? Do you have any doubts? Guys, do you have any doubts? What is the doubt? I wait. Okay, guys, please scan the scanner. Please scan your attendance. Lawn aita nodma. On aita. What the? Because you have not deleted properly. No. Where did you go and delete it? On aitappa. Now project on ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದೆ ಅವ್ನು ಲೈಟ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಮಾ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಏನ್ ತಲೆ ಇರೋದು ಆಯ್ತಾ ಬಂತಾ Wait, guys, I'm sharing the scanner only. Please scan it. Yes, everyone scan your attendance. Everyone scan your attendance. Okay, guys, if you have done scanning with your attendance, you can leave for the day. Thank you so much. And for a few people, you have got some meeting, go and attend the meeting. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಟೆಂಡ್